LBSi's AMMP Shipping Schedule Console displays key information on the shipping information of sales orders within your system. It shows you information like when a sales order was created and which carrier is linked to the order. It is a great screen to view the delivery date from several sales orders in one location. To access the AMMP Shipping Schedule Console, navigate to Sales, AMMP Shipping Schedule Console. The header portion of the window will contain several fields that can help narrow down your results. The starting delivery date field is where you can enter in the earliest delivery date to filter the results by. The ending delivery date field will be the latest delivery date that will appear on the screen. Beneath that, in the customer field, will be the option to filter the results down to a specific customer. You can also filter the results down to a specific salesperson by changing the value in the salesperson field. Moving on to the project field, you can select a specific project to filter the results by. You can view the results for a specific sales order status by changing the value in the sales order status field. The line status field will allow you to filter results down to either an open or closed line status. Next, in the AMMP document status field, you can select which AMMP document status you want to view the results for. This comes from the AMMP document status user-defined field on the sales order. Below that, in the item field, you can select a specific item to view the results by. If you want to view the results for a specific warehouse, you can do so by selecting a warehouse in the warehouse field. Next, in the approval field, you can select if you want to view approved, disapproved, or both types of documents. In the sort by field, you can choose to sort the data by either the due date, customer, order time, or shipping terms. Moving on to the display field, you can choose to view just a summary, which will display the first item on the sales order, or all the items on the sales orders. The shipping terms field will allow you to select a specific shipping provider you want to view the data for. If you check the non-inventory items checkbox, the screen will display any non-inventory items that may pertain to a sales order. Finally, the auto refresh field will allow you to set an amount of time the screen will refresh to ensure you are viewing the most current data selection. Once you are done changing the header fields, make sure to click the refresh button at the bottom so the filtered information will appear on the screen. Now let's take a look at the column level fields on the AMMP Shipping Schedule Console. The first column field is the customer number column. It will display the business partner code of the customer from the sales order, and you can drill down to the business partner record by clicking on the golden arrow next to the customer code. Next, in the customer name column, will be the name of the customer from the sales order. Moving on to the sales order number column, it will contain the sales order number that pertains to the information in the row, and you can also drill down to view the sales order by clicking on the golden arrow next to the sales order number. The item number from the sales order will be displayed in the item column. You can also drill down to the item master record of the item by clicking on the golden arrow next to the item number. The description of the item will appear in the description column. The order date column will display the date that the order was created, and in the order time column will be the time that the sales order was entered into the system. The app or approved column will display either a Y or an N to indicate the sales order has been approved or not. Next, in the delivery date column will be the delivery date from the corresponding sales order. Moving on to the warehouse column, it will display the warehouse that houses the item from the sales order. The remain quantity column will display the order quantity from the sales order. The quantity on hand column will display the in-stock quantity of the item from the corresponding sales order. The project column will display any projects that are associated with the sales order. Furthermore, in the line project column will be the project associated with the line item on the sales order. Next, in the ship terms description column will be the shipping carrier that is in the shipping type field on the sales order. Finally, in the address column will be the ship to address from the corresponding sales order document. LBSi's AMMP Shipping Schedule Console provides a useful all-in-one place to view the shipping information from your sales orders, so you do not have to go searching the system for the information you need. Join us in future videos as we break down how LBSi's AMMP module can help you improve your existing SAP Business One planning functionality. Be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. As an SAP Gold partner, LBSi can help you take full advantage of everything the system has to offer. To get in contact with us, visit our website at www.lbsi.com and navigate to the contact link. You can also email us at sales@lbsi.com for sales-related inquiries, or SAP support@lbsi.com if you're an existing client in need of support assistance.